Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID. We have a online coaching also available. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I have to say from all over the world the viewers are sending their artworks and other talents also. So I want please share the channel more and more because I want more people watch you, and also don't forget to like the videos. In this video I am going to show you a basic human face drawing with coloring. So you need to watch full video. This video once again is going to be very helpful. So let's enjoy the video. And don't forget, Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. For drawing a human face, let's draw a standing line in the page. Now draw the sketch of the human face, neck and shoulder. Now let's start the final drawing. We have to draw a oval shape for the human face. Now draw a dot in the middle of our standing line. Now above the dot I have drawn the line for the eyes, and bottom of the dot I have drawn a small straight line for the nose and mouth, and I am showing the chins, and you can see where exactly I am going to draw the eyes. Now we are drawing the oval shapes for our face perfectly. That is called drawing. The middle line is helping us to understand, to maintain the both the sides similar. That is called symmetry. Now I am giving dotted line along with the nose and eyes. Inside this line, the spaces, there will be a drawing of ears. Look how I am drawing the ears simply. So gradually we are improving our drawing from our sketching. We always start with sketch, then we can understand exactly where we will place our drawing. Otherwise, if you do the drawing, if your position is not correct, then your all the effort will be wasted. Now lips. I am not doing too much of detailing because I want it very easy and basics that you all can start your drawing. So in very basic way I am showing. Look, my both the eyes in a same line. It is not that one eye is here and another eye is there, not like that. It is in a same line. You could see how I have drawn the nose. Now I have drawing the eyeballs. Look how I am doing the lenses. In the nose also I have drawn a circle inside so that I can show our top of our nose. Now hairline, and when you are drawing, be very careful that both the sides of our face should look similar because our face is a symmetric. So the middle line is helping me for drawing everything. When I maintain the symmetry of the face, I always see my middle line. Now you look, you can make any of the hairstyle. You can make it girls, you can make it a woman, different type of hairstyle. Schoolgirl. So the basic structure is same. Basic formula is same. So you have to learn this. So here we will learn the boy. As a basics, we will learn the boy. If you learn the boy, you can easily draw the girl or anything. The structures are same. So all the dogs structures are same, only human structures are same. They are different in colors, in features. Now we apply the basic color, basic skin color. There is no tone is required. You just need to give the color perfectly. No white space should be left, but intentionally you have to leave the white space on the top of your nose to show the highlight and inside the eyes. Now this is very interesting. This way you can learn the color value and the color shades. Look, here I am not drawing. Without drawing I am doing. You also can attempt this. If you learn the drawing, you also can attempt this. So first you have to be very confident in your drawing. But here I am showing, this way you can understand color value, color tone, shades as well. Look, I have taken orange color and how I am using. So when you are coloring and using the tones and shadows, I am showing the light is coming from right side and the left part of the nose, left part of the face, I am going to draw the shadows. Yes, exactly like this. And simultaneously I am coloring the face without drawing. So I am doing both the face. One is with drawing, another is without drawing. Both will help you to understand the drawing in different point of view. Here you can understand in my drawing how I am maintaining drawing when I am coloring. And here you can understand coloring is also important to show your drawing, to clear your drawing. Look how this sides is applying the shadows. The left side of the face I am applying the shadows. So ear is getting also orange color, and my right side the light is coming, you can easily understand. So you can understand the volume and dimensions. Now you may think I am doing here orange color, why? So hold your patience so you can understand. You should not use directly black color on the hair. You always choose the lighter color for the hair first. So look, you can better understand of shades in without drawing where I am coloring the face. Now look, now I am doing the hair. You can see that left side of the hair I am coloring the brown color very thick, but in the right side, I mean from this side, light is coming, that side the color is not that much of thick. Here I am showing the light is coming. Light is reflecting more on the right side of the hair, as light is coming from the right side only. Now eyebrows, I am doing in the brown colors, and I am coloring the things very simply, that you can understand, you can relate. This is a basic, I have told before. I don't want to make things very complicated for you. Okay. Look very carefully, watch the full video, you should not miss. Now the nose and nostril. With the black color. Same formula will be applied for crayon, pastels, watercolor, oil color, same formula. Look, now look how I am coloring the eyes. Exactly follow where I am doing the tone. Inside the ears. So maximum black color I am using for our hair, and our hair is looking so real. So when you are coloring the hair, don't use black color as a base color. Now I have to work little bit on a eyes, particularly in the lens. Now little bit of white touch if needed somewhere. especially on the top of the nose. If you are not doing that white touch, then also it looks fine. You can understand. Now I am taking reddish color for lips. So if you don't like too much of red, so you can darkish red you can apply for the lips, so that lips look little bit of reddish. Okay. In the same way, you can for the skin also, you can put some other colors, that is called tint. Yes, we are applying the tint to show the difference between one person to another person in their skins. So in the basics, skin tones are looking similar here for the both the face, but here we are going to apply some tints. You can understand little bit of yellow tint we are giving, that our face is looking yellow. If you want someone faces to look little bit of reddish, so I am applying the reddish color tints, so you can understand, and it looks very nice. So tint means you have to apply the color in very light way, very light. Okay, that will not disturb your drawing. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Now you send your work. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.